In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your username on chess.com. Whether you've just come up with something fresh and clever, or want to start over with a completely new identity, updating your username can be a breeze. And don't worry, we'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you can complete it in just about 5 minutes. First things first, you'll need to head over to chess.com. Go to your preferred web browser, type in chess.com, and sign into your account using your credentials. If you haven't signed in already, you'll find the option to do so at the top right corner of the home page. Just enter your email and password and you'll be all set to begin the process. Once you're signed in, locate the menu in the bottom left corner of your screen. Here you'll see a variety of options that help manage your account settings and preferences. You'll want to click on Settings from this menu. This is your main hub for making changes to your chess.com account, from notifications to privacy settings, and of course your username. After selecting Settings, you'll find yourself facing a list of customization options. Look for the section that lists your current username. Right next to it, there's a small option that says Change. Go ahead and click on it. This action will lead you to the part of the site where you can modify your username. Now comes the creative part, entering your new username. Here, you have the opportunity to express yourself through a fresh moniker. Before choosing, remember that your username is a reflection of your identity on chess.com. It should be something you feel comfortable with and one that other users and friends will recognize. Be mindful that your chosen username still adheres to chess.com's guidelines, meaning it shouldn't be too long, must avoid offensive language, and be unique. Type your new selection in the designated field and confirm it looks just right. Once you're satisfied with your new username and are ready to lock it in, find the Save button on your screen. Click it to officially apply the changes. By doing so, the system will update your profile instantly with the new name. Remember, changing your username is typically a one-time action, or at least a very limited one, so make sure it's perfect before finalizing. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully updated your chess.com username. Now you can jump back into your games, challenges, and interactions with a refreshed presence, ready to checkmate your opponents with style. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to explore other settings changes you can make to enhance your chess.com experience. Thanks for watching and happy playing.